from the same plot, living in a print of yeah.
We throwing money in the airline. We jigging with a hammer, now we like. We throwing money in the airline. We jigging with a hammer, now we like. We throwing money in the airline. We jigging with a hammer, now we like.
I come in with a ski mask, bitch with a feedback. I got a 4-4 with a 4-0. Coming in with some mojo with a Gucci bag.
We in here, one don't get and we ain't fit, I can't get in here. We getting lit in here. I don't care, and the girls dancing everywhere. The bottle popping everywhere, the money overflowing everywhere, the swags everywhere, designers everywhere.
We throwing money in the airline. We jigging with a hammer, now we like. We throwing money in the airline. We jigging with a hammer, now we like. We throwing money in the airline. We jigging with a hammer, now we like.
This young T, young David, young Emma, young Thug, young boy, young Dale, young Doll, young Nick, young Giz, young Hills. Pull up at your hall,
Young real, young in. Catch him with the pitching. Remember repetition.
I got no ambitions, this is so I question my intention.
We throwing money in the airline. We jigging with a hammer, now we like. We throwing money in the airline.
That's enough. That's enough. That's enough. That's enough. You know what time it is. Uganda Force is live once again.
Oh my God! Oh my God!
Welcome to another great live stream. I am happy that I'm back, man. Just happy to be back. Love y'all guys with all my heart. You know I love showing y'all love, but hey, I was MIA last week. But I'm back. I'm back. I'm back. I don't know, man. Just I'm gonna keep the show going like we never skipped a beat. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna keep the show going like we never skipped a beat. We're gonna keep the show going like we never skipped a freaking Fiki Miki beat. You heard me? Must be eating. But let's start out. Let's go straight into it, right? Let's get straight into it. We ain't gonna waste no time. We're not gonna waste y'all time. We're gonna go straight into it. Go straight into it. But before we start, man, I just want to say thank you, man. You guys have been MIA, ghosting me, showing love. But I want to appreciate all the love in the world. The love in the world, and what's going on. I went to the FIFA World Cup game this past Saturday. Had a lot of fun, and you know, I bet a lot of that money I spent was on trading, based on trading. Like I've been blessed, and I want to say thank you. Like this keeps me going. I want to do more and more and more. So with that though, you know what time it is. You know what time it is. It's time to get into the show. And then we're going to be starting off the show straight from starting off from Earnings Hub. As you can see to the left, we have Monday coming up. Not a lot of action, not a lot of stocks. We're not in earnings season, but we're about to end Q2 of 2025. 2026. Q2 is coming to an end, and then like we about to go start of July. We're gonna be going in Q3, quarter three. We're going into quarter three. And then starting off with quarter three, there's not going to be a lot of earnings. Friday is going to be market's going to be closed, so we have another shorter weekend. Last week was a short, but I was on vacation on Friday. But this week we're going towards Monday, Tuesday is going to be the end of June. So we're going to be officially more than halfway through the year 2026. I'm just hoping that You enjoyed it. You did great things with it. Mm. But we have earnings. We have earnings coming up. The stock. It's a stock. Right. So I'm not gonna read all that. Okay. But we have Goldman Sachs. Goldman Sachs is driving dividends this Monday. We have Broadcom is dropping their dividends. Hilton is dropping their dividends before market open. And we have some IPOs cut. Lime is going IPO. We got Coca-Cola, Nike dropping dividends this Wednesday. Royal Caribbean Cruises are dropping earnings Thursday, and then we're closed. But I mean, they're not dropping earnings; they're dropping dividends and earnings. Earnings for the week of June to July 3rd. We have aviation. We have AVA. We have Nike. We have Stella Constellation Brands, and we have Progress dropping earnings Tuesday after market close. I'll say before market opens, we have these two companies dropping their earnings. They are Facets Research Systems. Facet Research Systems. Go in the info. And Facet Research Systems has seen better times. Has seen better times. Oh man, isn't that crazy? Year to date, man. Year to date in 6 months aligned perfectly. Mm-mm-mm-mm. Then we got General Mills dropping their earnings. General Mills dropping their earnings. And General Mills has had a hard time. But let's see if their earnings reports. So let's see which General Mills earnings are consistently going up. All right. Let's go. Let's move into what do I should do? Forex Factory calendar. Oh, we can go into here. Do a weekly recap. So this is the John Hancock investment calendar. So for the week of June 29th through July 3rd, Monday there's no major reporting scheduled. Tuesday we have our job opening and labor turnover survey, U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics, and then SP Code Tilly, Case Schiller 20 City Composite Home Price Index. Then we have the Consumer Confidence Index, Conference Board. Then we have ADP National Employment Report, and Institute for Supply Management Manufacturing Index. We have construction spending in the U.S. This is all dropping Wednesday. Then Thursday we have jobs and unemployment, U.S. Bureau of Labor, and then you have factory orders for U.S. Census Bureau. Then you have our weekly unemployment claims coming out this Thursday. Then Friday is the pre-holiday U.S. financial market. There'll be a closure this Friday. So pretty much unemployment rate. I see that the average hourly earnings month over month. That's gonna be impactful. But you know me, I'm a technician. So let's go into the stocks, the snacks. Oh man, oh man, oh man. Oh man, oh man, oh man, oh man, oh man, oh man. Just go One of my friends trading gold. He was trading gold. Kind of marked it up. Just straight hit. Boom. Straight hit, but he hopefully got the patience enough to take a sell. Price was underneath what level? Man, look at that. Price respecting the levels too. Boom. Oh, the 8. The 8. But I'm gonna be refreshing the stocks, refreshing the markets. Gonna be refreshing stocks. The stocks that I trade, and also I'm gonna be looking for potential. So I look at trading like you're farming, or fishing, right? Because you gotta put your bait out there, and you gotta cast and put in the right amount of tools to get the most out of it. So lately, man, bro, why did it move this, bro? Why did it move this on this side? Anyways, as you can see, with price currently is at, push that there. I can see better. I'm gonna be doing the Magnificent 7, and also I'm gonna do a little quick run recap of buy. Also gonna do gold. Also gonna call my homie up, see if he's online. We can discuss some trading so far. All right. Start off with Meta. A weekly recap. Man, Meta, look at the sales came in for the month of June. And Meta. Let's see. Boom, from highs. We are around 30% from highs of this Meta. And let's go on the weekly. You can see, man, Meta played it perfectly. Price underneath the support, and it went and bounced, broke the support. Price broke the support, continued selling off. And for the last week, this is what we saw. A resistance there. Let's go on the daily. And let's drop the daily resistance and support. So what would you do? One thing I need to figure out. So like once price has broken support and made a significant move, one thing I do is I just let price create a new support and resistance where I can play off price at, right? So right now, this was our most recent resistances and supports. As you can see, price broke that. Price broke that resistance, support, and continued downward. And I feel like this $524 price is gonna retest that or bounce off of this level right now. If not, might see that July bulls come in, the summer bulls come in. But that's why I'm looking at price. I don't see anything too crazy with Tesla. I mean with Microsoft. But I don't see anything too crazy with Meta. Currently, price broke that resistance. You would have got in right here with the 8, got in. You could have ate a little bit more. But moving on to Tesla, as you can see with Tesla, and June was a tough month for Tesla. Even though historically, Tesla June has been good for Tesla, but not this month, not this year, 2026. Different tail, Tesla ski. So what do I see? Do I see a clear support, resistance? Not gonna lie to you, we're gonna look left, trade right. So price is kind of back. This little zone right here. And one thing what I'm liking and seeing right now is that we have a bearish engulfing at this level right here. We're gonna see what price does. We break that above, and we might see Tesla go crazy from here. Might see Tesla go crazy from here. One thing I would have loved is that to see these moving averages, kind of crossing. I would have loved to see their moving averages crossing, but we haven't seen that yet. But I like what Tesla's at. I'm strongly buying. If Tesla comfortably crosses here, and we seen the moving averages cross back over the top, and then also at the RSI. Also, if we come above this 50, bro, why is this shit on the more settings? Yeah. There way to push it to the right, but visible on Mars ratio. Have a place. Bruh, find me. All right, thank you. Thank you, Jesus. I don't know why that just randomly changed. Bullshit. All right, boom. So we got price. I love this $388 level. Tesla, I just love this $388 level. I'm gonna say it again. I love that level. And hopefully we see some crossing. All right, alert. Yup. Boom. Must see Tesla get into the summer bulls around here. We'll be patient with that. Moving on to Microsoft. Also, had a pretty tough month of June. As you can see, June did not treat my boy Bill Gates well. There was some plays that I seen that were available too. There's some plays. Especially like the price was here, man. There's some plays too, like, and it's just you gotta sell prices beneath, both the moving averages, the simple moving average and the value weighted moving average. Yeah, like you gotta get in. And now, what do I see now? Are we potential for a bounce? Are we potential for a bounce? Drop that here, resistance, support. So one thing I'll do is I'm watching this crossover right now. Like if we already crossed over on the what's it called? The RSI, the moving average also by move up. But dang, I feel like we also had another buy. So summer, July, might see July be very bullish, like, because this is like some bullish potential or not, Good thing about so that's a great thing about trading is that none of this shit is guaranteed. And like I can have the right assessment, but the wrong timing. So I feel like patience this week is gonna be virtue, unless we see some confirmation on the RSI, point of resistance. Price strikes these levels. Last time price was crossing the $382 level for Microsoft. We jumped back to 400. So overall, and then these are very, very key. I'm gonna say it again. We are a key support for Microsoft. We are the key support for Microsoft. As you can see to the left, trade right. Look left, trade right. You see that? See what level we at. And look, this is 2025. February, April 2025. See where we jumped. And then you see the power of like crossing, man. And I'm a believer. When the shit crosses, trade along it. Trade along, trade along, trade along. Don't be even here, boom. Price crossed. Earnings fell. Still underneath, still underneath, still underneath, still underneath, sell, sell, sell. But that's what I see with Microsoft, man. Like, I would love to see this crossing occur. And we're gonna be good. We're gonna be good in the freaking hood. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna be good in the hood. We're gonna be good. Hood. Moving on to Google. See how Google's been.
Brother,
Things are the same. I can't hear my own sound effects. I'm gonna keep my headset right here. This comfy. This is a little more comfortable. But let's see. While Google last month,
brother,
and we had a sell signal too. We had a sell signal on Google. And look. Google's retesting that level that I talked about. Retesting that level. Google's retesting. Man, like our plays have been on fire lately, bro. Like I called this out last 2 weeks ago. Damn, man. Like, man, I know y'all miss me. But I'm gonna start making some shorts, man. I'm gonna start making some shorts. I'm gonna start making them shorts, yo. I'm gonna start making them short skis. No, we just do a little quick boom, boom. I'm a technician. All this shit for free. Oh, you shit for free. And then you can see boom. But guess what? We don't want to trade. We don't want to trade all that news right now. We got to trade. That already happened. I just remarked the old shit that happened. Right now, we got to see where we at. Like, boom. We at resistance. This was our support level. But this is our more recent support. Guess what? Price respects that level. Price respects that level. Drop that distance. So, like, man, I'm telling y'all, man. Like, we are in a critical, like, this summer months are gonna be critical. Critical zones right now. You might see this pullback, but man, you might see this pullback. Much this is 14%, 20%. I think you might go back down to 20%, then pull back up. And then this might be a chance to re-enter right here. Chance to re-enter. Now with going on to Apple.
brother,
Apple been bullshitting, raising prices and shit. Man, why did they wait until I got my MacBook, my freaking price up? Damn, Apple. Tim Cook, cooking himself. He's cooking us. With the price hikes and shit. But you know what? It doesn't get cheaper. We have to trade. Have to trade. Trade. Man, I love y'all. I don't want to say it, but look. This look like straight bounce. Straight bounce. Look at that. As soon as price hit this old resistance, and we have all this indication right here. All that indication. All that indication. man. Yep. Apple. I don't know, man. Apple might come back to this level, but might be on entry zones. Now, let's go to Amazon. Yeah, looking at Amazon also.
Brother,
Look, all these stocks though, like they're all moving like together. They're in sync. They are in sync. With that, you gotta pick which one you really love. You know what I'm saying? Pick the one that's gonna hold it down for the city. One that's gonna hold it down for the city, man. Man, I'm just happy that I did this, bro. Like, I just missed. Been on here live and just talking out type shit. Live talking out type shit. Boom, you see where Amazon's at? I really hate trading Amazon, bro. I always be taking L's with Amazon, bro. I always be taking L's with Amazon. Bro, L's and Amazon, we just getting it long. They just be jumping. But look, Amazon, like, I could see it being like, okay, right here, we're gonna need everything. Like everything. Then last time we were here, Christ did a triple backflip downside. Oh, puts on Amazon are highly likely. Puts on Amazon are highly freaking likely. I'll put my little something right there. I'll put a little, what's it called? I'm gonna put my little alert right there. See where the puts are. Amazon. Let me go put this up. I'll be back. I want you back forever. Puts on Amazon, highly likely. Highly likely puts on Amazon. And then you have a video also doing a little pullback ski. Price definitely wants to push past this 240 level. Came back down to earth with it. Back down to earth. I like the way it's looking like. Like retests on the weekly. Dropping this and this right here. Go ahead, I'm going to daily. Let's type in. Right now I'm in watch. Look, we seeing price indecision. Little doji at the resistance. The doji's key. The resistance. I love that our moving averages are still like price is really below it. I love the price, especially when we reversing where price is crossing. Love when we pull back curves, prices are crossing. So I like entering when prices like crossing. It's more a little risky to enter when price is not crossing. But it's up to you. It's up to your own you know, your risk tolerance. It's up to your risk tolerance. Ooh, I'm gonna start saying that. I'm gonna start saying that like, oh, should I enter in this? Like based on what I see, this shit is up to your risk tolerance. Do you want to enter? It's all trading. Like, what is your risk tolerance? Like, how much you want to risk to it? If you don't risk a lot, then go ahead. That's what trading is all about. And you have SpaceX holding our first blue thing. Oh, we have our simple moving average. And boom, SpaceX right there. First resistance and support, baby. Hey, let's celebrate that. We're celebrating SpaceX first resistance support. Look at that. Price is almost back to where the, you know, where we launched, where we took off at. Now let's go to spy on you like spyware, and boom, spy from Hundo.
What the hell?
A little bit of pullback after like 2 great months. April and May, June we pulled back, and then just seeing, look at that on the daily. Man, look at this doji. Look at this doji. Indecision. So I see is indecisiveness. We put this support here. Oh, we already broke support, so we can drop it right here if we want to. But for more clear touches, because one, we even drop, we put it over here because we got 1 right here. Good support. But look, price is indecisive, does not want to push lower. Let's go. Our resistance. So resistance is gonna be here, but I don't know. It looks decent. Not any I'm not in the mood to trade SPY right now, so right now I'm not in the mood to trade SPY. Because clear support or resistance. And that's the thing too, like it's okay to not trade a stock if you can't find their support or resistance. Cause like you just make shit up your ass, it doesn't work out. You're gonna think, oh, I'm a bad trader. No, you're not a bad trader. Just there wasn't a clear support or resistance. You just traded. You just made up some support, some resistance, and you traded it with full confidence. No, like if I don't see a clear support resistance, I ain't trading it. You know, that's how you're supposed to write in your books, man. Like, write that in your rule book. If there's no clear support resistance, I ain't trading it. I'm not trading it. Right now, as you can see, we have Q for resistance, very clear, very mildly clear, but we have some indication down below. And then we have our, what's it called? We have our Dow Jones. Boom. Dow Jones, man. Oh, gone. It's gone. And remember we were talking about, remember a few weeks ago we were talking about Dow Jones breaking this pushing. It looked like we pushed out for the past few weeks, pushed that major resistance, and then look at this retest right here. Retest right here. For like current support, current resistance. I see it. Gold. My homies trades gold. Let's hit them up on Discord. This is on. Mm-mm. Okay. Hold on. Boyski. Only my boy. He's the gold expert. On a 4-hour.
Your call has been forwarded.
Well, that's a wrap, and that's wraps our stream up. 4-1 pickup. Oh well, but let me clean up chart. My boy had a trade up here. Hourly. Mug end up smacking. Mug end up smacking. P. But let's remove this. Do I see gold? Let's go on a monthly.
Brother, oh my God!
Gold's been on the slide since we hit all times at 5,352, 55. But every week has been gradually dropping. So you should not be looking for any buys really. That's just like super short term. I look for any buys. What do I see? Gold is at a critical support level right here. We went back to 2025 October support levels, right? The price is being held up right there. But me, look at it like right now. This is our current support. The current support. To see support. And why do I don't see a resistance? Because price is going down, down, down. We ain't pushing up. We're just creating lower lows. You know what I'm saying? Creating lower lows, lower highs. The basic fundamental of trading, man. Follow your lower low and lower high. Lower low, lower high. Boom. On a shorter time frame. Boom. Go back. Damn. We had these buttons. You know how long I ain't use these buttons for? There's potential getting some short-term buys. I was still Yeah, I don't know. I don't even trade gold. I don't know. I'm giving you advice for real. Let's go to hourly. Get a little more cleaner. This daily support though is massive though. Like massive support. Like we all the way back to this. Like so the importance of looking back. Boom. Yeah. Hello.
Yeah.
Yo, what's in, bruh? Shit, man. I'm on a live stream, man. And I wanted to see how you trading gold. You still trading gold?
Yeah. What you on a live stream on what?
I'm on YouTube. I was like, remember I marked it up for you, and I don't know what TP you had, but that mug ended up hitting. Yeah,
I don't remember what day that was, but
here, let's join my live stream. I'm gonna send you the link to it. You can just mute me, and I can show you. I'm mad dashing Z. You got my
I'm
YouTube
gonna go
channel,
buy
right?
right now still. I'm holding. It's only a $50 risk.
Oh, okay. You got my live stream? Or want me to send it to you? You know my YouTube, right?
Just send me a link.
Hey,
Locked in right now.
not subscribed. Coach, you're
Bro,
not
I'm pretty sure
subscribed,
I'm
man.
subscribed. Am I not subscribed? Don't do me that.
There's no loves, coach.
Don't
No
do that to me,
love, no
bro.
love, no
Don't tell me
love.
that.
I just sent
There's
it
a
to you.
misclick.
I just sent it to you. All right. Ain't gonna lie, it's gonna be like a delay. A little bit of delay.
I don't know why I'm not subscribed. I've definitely watched a bunch of your videos on YouTube.
Oh
I was your
no,
first
coach.
follower on Twitch. Don't do that to me.
Coach. Sub me out, man. They ain't subscribed. Remember we were talking about this
Oh,
bot
you
right
got
here?
two. It says you have two live streams going at the same time.
Yeah, so there's like one for like a virtual. One is for one is like regular. There's like the phone live stream, and it's like one is just like the regular live stream. Hopefully the one is vertical and one is horizontal.
Okay, this one's horizontal, and let's see the other one. This one is also kind of horizontal, but I think it's maybe just because I'm on my computer.
But is it like showing a different frame? Let me see. Dang. Be like the YouTube, you know, like the shorts live stream.
Like, do the screens look differently?
Yeah, they're supposed to. Like the YouTube, you know, like the shorts live stream. And you dropping some likes. Hey,
No, but it should be fine. Maybe it's just because I'm on my computer.
it's supposed to be like a whole different. Let me show you. It's supposed to look like this, like a different canvas. It's supposed to be like the phone canvas.
Yeah.
Does it look like this?
16 by 9.
Does it look like that? Or I gotta probably fix it. Probably bugging. That said default. Damn. I might need to fix that. All right. But back to what I was saying though. My stream, we talking about gold. You getting some sales, bro?
I got
Getting
in
these.
some sales earlier tonight, but it's been chopping all night, so I probably hit like 15 break evens. Pretty good risk management though.
Damn.
If
How
you
long
look
you
at
be
the
holding your trades
chart,
for? Cause bruh, shorting
it kind of
gold
just
is
depends. If you set it to break even and it taps you out, it could be 5 minutes. If you break even it as soon as possible.
um,
But obviously, if it's going towards TP, I don't make the candles. It depends how long. And I don't have enough data on this account yet to probably show an average trade duration, but I can see if I can pull that up.
ain't gonna lie, you got in some buys that are critical on time too, cause like gold went back to 2025 October pricing. But
Yeah, it's been dumping.
but
It is trying to hold bullish structure right now. It's
you
respecting the
trade short
38.2
term.
fib.
You know, I noticed we just trade different. Like I'm more of like a intermediate trader, and you like a like day trader, be in and out type shit.
Yes, sir.
In and out. Boom. Look at that. I see support resistance here. The 4 hour. I'm looking at the 4 hour. What I see. There's some indication here. Man says he even buys with it too. You in a good buy zone. You low-key did a good buy too. Above the resistance and everything with it. But you, what's it called? Right now, you probably have the Asian session, so price is not gonna move like that. You hear me?
Yeah, here, go to Discord and I'll show you exactly what my entry's at. You can put that on the stream.
All right. I'm getting subbed out.
You're not getting subbed out, but you're looking at the daily chart. My entry is obviously not on the daily. This is it right here. So if we go to the
I was looking at the
30
4
minute,
hour. I was looking at the 4 hour.
the 4 hour is still, you know,
It's pretty long.
it's obviously super bearish, but the end of last week it stopped ranging. Near the end of the week, this was like all week, just trash. And then Friday it bought up. And then today when it opened, it dumped immediately. This is where I got a little chopped around.
It's
But
choppy
we
as
break
shit.
even like half of this. We got the fib. It respected this 38.2.
So you got
saw it
in.
break this
You got in
resistance.
at the bounce off of that
Yeah,
fib.
I got in on the close of this bullish candle above the top of this range here.
Ooh.
And I have a very tight stop, just $50, because I already made $200 on my NAS buy that we
Okay.
had over here.
Show us, coach. Cha-ching.
61.8.
Wait, let me see
Bottom
that
tick
bit.
this bad boy.
Let me see.
I
So
bottom tick this.
you bought him
I
at
can
the
show it to
bottom.
you on the on like actual NAS. This was a beautiful trade. I got break evened a bunch on NAS tonight too, but we finally caught the beautiful buy right here
Okay.
off the 61.8, and we
The
rode it as
Fibonacci
long as it would
trading.
let us. It broke this resistance. I followed it to the like lowest low, and then it stopped me out right here, which I'm glad I took my profit because obviously I knew it had a fat retracement coming.
Okay.
So that was
Damn, look at
bad.
that. That's a gas buy.
1 to 5, almost 1 to 5.5. And then my new accounts that I've been trading. You can see this account shows you all the entries. Break even, break even, break even, break even, break even, break even. Like,
But it's
yeah.
choppy as
And then,
shit. I'll,
and then if
when
we
it's
go to
choppy like
NAS,
that,
like
my advice would be like just let it like try to break out one end and
it
then try.
broke the lows. Look,
Oh
broke
yeah,
the low here.
it kept
broke the high
coming
here.
back in.
It was
Damn.
playing with me, but obviously risk management will keep you in that.
Oh
And
yeah,
then
for sure.
NAS, you can see all the NAS buys just getting chopped around. My initial buy at the 61.8 right here was super gas. I got stopped out. But yeah, I don't know. We caught it. We caught the move we wanted. This account.
Did you re-enter on that one?
Well. This account, I have 5 accounts running at the same time.
Or when you say they're all so are they like mirror trading them?
Copy traded, yes, sir.
Oh, okay. So that's like a $1 right there if it's 5.
Yes, sir. These
Nice.
are 25K, so I only need to make 1250 on these to pass.
Okay.
And these are like I don't have to pay my funded fees. That was a really good deal. So if I do pass all these, I don't have to spend anything else.
Trade C
total. It's for Lucid. But I ain't trying to steal your live stream. I'm just letting you know. I have these running too, but I'm not posting my YouTube videos for these. I'm just kind of running this on the side.
What's your YouTube so my crowd can know where to subscribe for the YouTube ski?
Christian Hustles is the same as my Discord. That's what my series is called.
Okay, shit. This is gas. This is gas chat.
Yeah.
This is gas chat. This is gas. Gas like ass gas.
Gold's
Let's-
trying to hold. Look at that. Tips away from my stop loss, but that's all I'm willing to give it anyway. So if it wants to,
Wait, you on the 1 minute
take me
chart
out
with
of
that?
there,
Or the 5 minute? That bit
if it
is
wants to take
mighty
me out
close
of
to your
there,
stop. That bit
that's
that
fine
bit
though.
kissed
Now, if
your
it goes below here, guess what? More range because it broke this and it
yeah.
doesn't want to break out. I don't care. Like this is
But I
like
feel
the
like
last trade of the night. I could give it
after
more. I'm not giving it more. That's it. That's all I take from that. I've already made my money tonight.
right. Zoom out on like the 15 minute. Let me see it.
Like
Price
I'm not
look
giving
like
it more risk because more risk would be all of my profit that I've already made. So like I can risk 25% of this. I'm not risking 75% of my profit to see gold buy. Because look at this. This is disgusting.
can you hold your shit like overnight?
I can hold it overnight. I can hold it into New York. I can hold it all the way till 3:30 p.m. Well,
Oh, you have to close
3:08.
by 3:30.
If you don't have to close by 3:08, it'll freeze your trade, and then 3:12 it'll auto close. I found that out on Friday.
Oh,
I
that's
had an
bullshit.
amazing NAS sell right at the end of the day, and then
That's
at
bullshit.
3:08 on the dot, it like froze my trade. I couldn't move my stop or my TP. It
Mhm.
kept running for 4 more minutes, and then at 3:12 it just auto liquidated me. So
1
yeah,
minute
obviously,
chart
like I
game.
would swing sometimes if I could. 1 minute to
Bruh.
watch, obviously.
That's the thing though.
1
I'm the
minute
type
for
of trader to
entries.
swing my trades, bro. That's why I can't do no
Ask YouTube
challenges.
chat. David is scared of the 1 minute chart.
I don't know. I just don't do that, man. I like the daily, man. The daily's freaking fire. It's gas. But you can definitely get some bread.
Drop your entries on the higher time frame. Get your sniper entries on the low time frame. I
Shit,
only watch
even
the
that,
1 minute chart when I'm in a
even
trade
that,
because
I don't even
obviously, you know,
do. I don't. It's like I don't know. Like what's funny, bro? My daily entries be gas though. Like my daily entries be gas. I don't know.
yes, sir.
It's probably the way I backtest. You know, it's about how you backtest. It's just like I'm entering on this daily candlestick. Bearish engulfing. I'm in there. All right, look at this. Look at this potential sell. We didn't take it. Pinterest. Pinterest been struggling trying to push above 30 bucks. Palantir. Oh, damn. Low key, I was looking at this Palantir sell, but I got into. Well, let me show you what trade I took. That was gas as fuck. You hear me, Christian? Can you see my shit?
Yeah, I'm watching.
Damn.
It's a little
J&J.
delayed, so like obviously I gotta watch a little
Okay.
bit longer before.
Okay. Damn, I missed this J&J play. Sheesh. Let me see the trade I took. It was a sell on. What was a sell I took? It was a sell on Oracle. And I got out mad early too. I got out mad early. I'm gonna give you a second when we get to Oracle. Bro, look at this. You see where I'm at?
G Inc.
Look at that, bro. And you know what I got? You know what I got out? I got out right here. Literally like where my mouse. So like I literally made like I think 250. I was like, man, let me take my 250, you know, shit. That's my weekly goal. Just make 250 bucks. I was like, shit, I smacked my goal. Bruh, I left. This was at $600. That would have been 900. That would have been a thou wow. So I left damn near like $800 on the table. But I ain't mad though. Hindsight is 2020 as fuck. Cause I was just like, let me get my goal in.
I have to pull up your chart, like stream on the side for Discord if I can give live commentary too, because you're like scrolling through. Like right now, you just opened up the trade. I think it's like 30 or 45 seconds behind. So whatever you're trying to show me, I can't see.
Is
I'm
that
seeing
delayed? Damn.
it's pretty delayed. All right, you just pulled up Oracle chart, so
Damn. Oh yeah, that's pretty
yeah,
bad.
and
But
I'm seeing you move your short position.
I'm gonna end I'm in the live stream. I'm just gonna live stream from Discord.
Yeah. that
But
might work
chat,
better.
thank you for joining. Thank you for joining.
We
The best
figuring it
trade.
out, guys. We're not the most tech guys. We make money. We don't know how to run a live stream though.
Right.
Figuring that
One day
part
I'm
out.
gonna hire somebody to revamp my whole YouTube, man. And
Get
this
the
shit
best
gonna be
internet in town. Still
right.
got latency. It's crazy.
We're gonna go crazy with it. But with that though, Uganda Trades is out. Let's get it. Let me play my outro music. Can you hear my song?